Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how you can change your email in Clash of Clans. So let's say that you have a village and you give it to your friend to play it, but you felt like guilty, or you regret your that you gave your account to your friend or something like that. How can you really change your email and get your account only for yourself? Well, basically it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is, like, there's actually multiple ways, so let's start with the first one. The first one, which is go into your Supercell ID and then open it. And because I'm on PC, I can't really show you how I do it, but you can just click on the options and then click on, you will see like another circle like this, and click on it, and then you will find email. Click on edit, and then you will have to put your password or confirm it from your email, and then you will be able to change the email. Else you can, for example, let's say that you wanted to change the account itself, you can just click on this connected button from here, and okay, then from here you can click on it and click on log out or switch accounts and log into another Supercell ID. If you don't have another Supercell ID, you can just go ahead in here and just log out normally, click on confirm and play without a Supercell ID. And what this will do is will connect you directly to your Google Play account. And so how can you really change your email is by changing your Google Play account. So whatever email is you are using on your Google Play, you have to change it to be able to have like another village or another account in this game. So yeah, that was it with this today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.